Spectacular. Hello guys, today I will make an experiment. It's not a recipe but more a taste. Today is 21 of October or October 21st. Tomorrow I will start my journey to Thailand. I will come back in more or less 8 months. So I still have a big piece of Parma ham, homemade Parma prosciutto or made prosciutto crudo. So I want to try to age the prosciutto also after we remove the bones. Probably nobody had tried, because when you remove the bones and you start the prosciutto, usually you eat until it's finished. But because I'm traveling, I can try this experiment. Maybe other people that follow the channel, other friends that they are traveling, they can try to preserve or the prosciutto, other things. In theory, should work, because it's the same principle when we put the salami preserved in oil or in lard. So for the lard mix, I will use the same ingredient that I show already in the other video. Also, you can find the book. Don't worry, now I will tell you. I will do less quantity because the prosciutto now is very small. 200 grams of lard, 200 grams of rice flour, 10 grams of sea salt without iodium, so natural sea salt, and 5 grams of black pepper powder. Now I mix everything together. I will cover my prosciutto. All the piece of prosciutto without the skin, we need to cover them. Remember, I hope that everything go well. We will discover in 7-8 months. Put on a net like this, the one for the grill, with a dish under, and now we put the prosciutto in the fridge. I will check that everything is covered properly, because when you are recording it's more complicated. See you in 7 months. Bye bye. After 7 months in the fridge, without nobody taking care, and after 1 year in total, we start to make our homemade prosciutto crudo. We will taste it. So the smell is still good. So in theory, everything is okay. You can smell a little bit of rancid. I don't know if it's the right word in English. I will check. What is it? Is the fat that becomes sour. So could be the fat that we add, but I think the fat there was no seal like here where we cut it. So very important when you go to the shop, not only when you make it home, also if you go to buy it. Remember, if the fat is not white, the taste is not so spectacular. So if you have confidence with the butcher, you can ask, please, can you remove the fat? Because I like white fat. So if the fat is white, it's very good. If it's yellow, it's not good. Remember, this is the principle. In Italy, we have many choices. So when you go and want to buy, you can have a look. If the fat is white, the prosciutto is perfect and spectacular. Okay, now I remove this lard. I will cut a little bit of skin, remove the yellowish part, and after we can test our prosciutto and see if it's still good or not. Our prosciutto is ready. I also sharpen my slicer, so let's test it. Eh? Really spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave a like if you watch and share this video with your friends. If you have bought our book, let us know down in the comment. If you have tried to make it at home, let us know down in the comment. And now I will open a homemade beer or home brewing beer. And I will do my aperitivo. Bye bye. Spectacular.